Help! Help, Mama! Mama, help! Help, my feet!
When you say, help! Mama, help!
The crap that I do before I start the vlog in the morning. Hi friends, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day in JA. And if it's your first time to the channel, welcome to the Fam Bam. And smash that subscribe button right now. Smash that like button right now before you watch, because you know, of course, it's gonna be a good vlog either ways. We're up. Let me flip this pancake before they burn. You guys, I'm in the kitchen. You know, Jamaicans on a Sunday, we knock out the kitchen the first thing in the morning for the entire day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and done, and call it a day. So, as you guys can see, my pressure cooker is going, girl. Because today I'm making oxtail. I'm making oxtail and rice and peas and veggies for dinner today. So I need my pressure cooker to kick off the peas first, then oxtail is going. And in the meantime, I'm making breakfast for the entire crew. I'm making pancake today and some eggs. So that's what's on its way right now. Everybody's up and is doing some kind of chore around the house. Tyler is taking up the laundry of the lines and Sarah is watching TV. So let you say hello to my boy. Say morning.
Hello, Mama. You didn't drink your green juice.
I didn't drink my green juice. How you know that?
Because I didn't saw you doing it.
I will drink my green juice though.
And don't forget, friends, today there is a live.
There is a live today.
Yes.
Yes, you remember.
Yes.
But by the time Faith sees the live will be gone. Who that? Who this? Who that? Who this? Who that? Who this?
She's in a great shape.
Who this? Who this? Who this? Who this? Who this? I'm in a great shape. You have to start your day off like this. If you don't, then
Motivation. It wasn't the same 1 hour ago when Tyler started to cry. And,
Tyler?
Sarah started to cry. Said,
Alright, Sarah is awake. I have to get up. Zombie mode. These kids never fail to wake up at between 7:30 and 8 o'clock every morning.
Human clock.
That's why when 8 o'clock come, I don't fail to put them to bed. Chop chop.
Mama?
Yes, carry the camera, go show Faith Sarah.
Mama? I want to tell you something.
What?
And here is the last one. Hello, little miss. Hello, little miss.
Look up the screen and she see herself.
Hello, little miss.
She see herself.
Oh yeah. Ah, she acting.
Yay. Yes, that's her way of saying good morning to the face. I don't know if you guys can give me some advice, but just now I blow my nose and my nose is yellow, like I put yellow food coloring in my nose. What's that sign? If I'm missing something, you guys comment down in the comment section and tell me. Am I turning an alien? I don't know. What's that? I need to go read up online. What? And it's just one nostril is coming out yellow. And it's not like coal either. Don't get me wrong, it's not coal. I would know that it's coal. But it's just yellow coming out with nothing, like no mucus, it's just yellow. I don't know what that is.
You sniff.
I didn't cook any curry, I didn't sniff anything.
You sniff curry.
Maybe I sniff curry. You want to talk to me?
Yes.
What is it?
Today I want to do a challenge.
You want to do a challenge with me?
Mama,
Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Sarah agrees. What's on your menu for dinner today? When you guys watching this, will be Tuesday. So I'm sure a lot of you guys having Sunday, Monday. No, it won't be Tuesday, it will be Wednesday. Though it's Wednesday when you guys watching this, tell me what was on your Sunday dinner menu. That's what I want to hear. Lord, I'm already drooling. Especially my Jamaicans, I know you guys gonna turn up. Because Jamaicans, you know man, Jamaicans on a Sunday is 2 meat, always 2 meat. And because the pandemic, we haven't get to go to Italy to buy goat. So, your girl can't cook no curry goat. My Dutchie is crying, my Dutchie vexed, my Dutchie missed the goat. We can't cook no curry goat because I don't have it, girl. But, I shall mask up and go buy some goat one of these days. In and out. What you say, babe?
Me?
Yeah.
You papa there?
No?
No, I coughed. It wasn't.
No, I'm asking you what you think about what I just said.
Oh, I wasn't.
We mask up and go buy some goat one of these days. In and out. Yeah? No?
Maybe?
Italy is doing better than France in coronavirus numbers right now.
No, but the last time
So-
I heard that to cross the border, you need to have done the test.
Lord have mercy.
It is the case.
Well, I guess I won't be having no goat anytime soon. This Rona just a block my blessing. But let's see if we can find goat somewhere else. You know, in desperate time, you do desperate things. So you'll do some deep search and see if there's any goat in the area that we've been missing. I think they said there's an animal farm somewhere that sell goat. So we need to really check it out and see if we can go there to buy some goat. That's what we're gonna do today, baby. We're gonna check out that place that you had mentioned. We can do that? What's wrong? Why are you breathing like that? Your throat? Take medicine. Alright, you guys, here goes breakfast. Ready for the stomach. Guys, oxtail on deck, just finished pressuring into the final stage, so we're going to cover the Dutchie, you know. Cover the Dutchie. Alright, veggies finished cooking, broccoli and carrot, rice and peas finished cooking. And lunch is over here. Salad, and I have chicken in the fridge to go with that. So yeah, we're almost done. We're doing good. And baby's feeding Princess. She just wake from her nap. And Ty is having lunch.
hot dog.
As usual. Hot dog.
What a healthy Sunday for him. Crepe, pancake, hot dog. But the man don't put no weight, but
The man need to have indulging days. Right, Ty?
Mama,
and what you
Yeah.
have yesterday? Nuggets. Nuggets.
Fries and nuggets.
Fries and nuggets. Oh lordy.
Well, at least for the most days of the week, he eat healthy. Let the kid be kid for a little bit. Yes.
you know yesterday everything that I eat was not healthy.
That's okay. It happens sometimes.
Est-ce que tu as mangé hier? Because
Alright, guys. Finally done. Lunch is about to go down. Oxtail is done. And veggies there. And rice and peas is there. Done for today, shorty. Shorty. Hey, go Sarah, go Sarah, go Sarah,
Look,
hey.
look. You saw
Go
me
Sarah. Run, princess!
Help! Help, Mama! Mama, help! Help!
When you say, help, mama, help.
Help me, Bills. I'm not going to be in our team anymore. Block puzzle. Please.
Help you to do what?
Don't beat Papa.
I already beat him up for you. I'm tired now. The madness that happened in this house
But
and everybody in the mix. But him pinching me on this side. Watch ya.
C'est qui le plus fort, Tyler? C'est qui le plus fort?
Leave him alone. Leave him.
C'est qui le plus fort, Tyler?
Leave him. That girl, I go beat him up. This house is full of mad people. Beat him up, Tyler. Beat him up. Baby, him head. Baby, a little bit. You guys, I just finished sharing dinner. That's the plate for today. Who wants oxtail? Looks good?
Looks good.
Alright, it's grub time for the fan bam. And Tyler, give me a ticket. My food go. Tyler, give me a ticket at the table. I have to pay. I have to pay for my dinner.
That's your dinner. So that's your bill.
That's the bill.
Tyler, put the bill beside you.
Mama.
Sarah, ready for food. See if I can catch us on the vlog same time.
I think it's...
Hold on.
Next question. What is my favorite fruit to eat?
What is Tyler's favorite fruit?
Pineapple or banana?
Pineapple. Babe, what you say?
I'm gonna say pineapple too.
Alright, what's Tyler's favorite fruit? Banana or pineapple? Let's see who gonna get it right. Hopefully one day Miss Unstoppable. Sunshine say pineapple, Paula pineapple, pineapple. Miss Hyacinth pineapple, Carrie pineapple, Sandra say banana, Priscilla pineapple. If you guys watch the vlog, you have to get this right. You guys hear Sarah? While you guys rolling in your answer, let me show you guys Sarah cam, because I know you guys want to see Sarah. There goes Sarah. Let's see if I can position the camera so that Sarah can be
She moving
in.
too much.
Though she keep moving.
Keep moving.
The answer time, we get a lot of pineapple. Anne-Marie said both. What's the answer?
Pineapple.
Make the suspense.
Pineapple! Sarah on her online.
The next question.
Next question.
What's my favorite sport?
Your favorite
Football or push-up?
Tyler said what's his favorite sport? Football or push-up? Let's see who's gonna get this right.
You know you like push-up.
That's funny. I'm gonna say push-up.
You like push-up.
You love doing push-up. Alright, let's roll it in. Let's see.
But today play football.
That's true. This is gonna be a tough one. Alright, let's see what the fans
say
say.
football.
You're gonna say football, alright. Gordon says football.
Which 5 years old like push-up?
Spice Girl said football. Alfred said football. Miss Knight said football. Dene push-up. Miss Bradshaw football. Sarah having her own life. Exactly. Let's see. Link up the live, guys, please, and like up the live. Yes, like up the live and all those things. Alright, what's the answer?
1, 2, 3. Push-up.
I told you. Alright, Tyler, you have to go do some push-up for the face right now. Go. Let's get the push-up
I'm
in.
going to do
How much?
10 push-ups. And Mama, you need to count because you get it. No, Papa, you need to count because you get it wrong.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, do the push-up.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, come on. 8,
Come on.
9, 10. Yes, my boy. Good job. Anyway, you guys.
I'm français.
Papa want me to speak French. Tell her, come now. Fini.
You want
Bon,
to,
parle français avec
tu
moi.
voulais montrer Sarah quelque
Oui,
chose.
un petit peu
Allez,
après.
maintenant.
J'ai dit quoi?
Non, tu as dit Sarah.
You're listening to me speak French. Oui, je parle français un petit peu. Parle avec moi en français pour tout le monde.
Tu veux que je dise quoi?
Je sais pas.
Tu voulais montrer Sarah. Tu voulais montrer Sarah en train de danser.
Oui.
Quoi?
Sarah en train de danser, la danse de Sarah.
Après.
Ok, qu'est-ce que tu veux dire? Tu veux dire merci tout le monde.
Merci tout le monde pour regarder
Le live, tu peux
Le
dire
direct.
le direct.
Le
Wow.
direct.
Bravo.
Tu vois, je parle français un petit peu, c'est pas mal. Okay, let me introduce myself in French for you guys. Bonjour tout le monde. Je m'appelle Melissa Delaveaus. Je suis 32 ans. J'ai 32 ans. Je suis Jamaican. J'habite en France, à Nice, en France, à Nice. J'ai 12 enfants. 12 enfants, une fille et un garçon.
Une fille.
Une fille et un garçon. Mon garçon, il s'appelle Tyler Delaveaus. Il a 5 ans. Il a beaucoup d'énergie. Ma fille, elle s'appelle Sarah. Elle a 1 an. Elle est belle. Elle est très belle. Et ici, c'est mon mari, Ludovic Delaveaus. Il était très beau. Oui, voilà, c'est ça. Tu vois, je propose. C'est la première fois tu écoutes. C'est la première fois tu entends. Tu entends? Tu attends moi parler français?
Vous.
Ok, vous. Ok, You're wondering all the things that I just said. So I just introduced myself. I said my name is Melissa, how old I am, who I am, where I live, and I tell you that I have 2 kids and who they are and what they're.
Let me end the vlog with that sexy body. Sexy body, yeah. Hi guys. Yeah, it's the end of the day. I look like you guys. Yes, I'm still coughing. I'm talking like this with that voice, trying not to cough. It's not easy.
Because the more he talks, the more he coughs.
So I have to lower my voice. Well, I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. I hope you all have a wonderful day.
Yeah,
just
fun on the live.
Yeah, just to say, a little word. It was cool to share that moment with you. You have anything to ask? You have anything to say?
We're just coming on to the end of
You're tired?
we're watching The 100 and I was telling you guys that it's a nice series, but no, it's getting on my last nerve.
It's getting terrible.
Don't watch it, you guys, unless you want something to annoy you. It's like every episode is getting worse and worse.
I think the realizator,
he was confused. He was hungry for money and didn't want to end it.
Right, you're getting crazy. It's like they say, okay, you need to give us two more seasons, and the man say, but I have nothing to write. He say, figure it out.
He give you a new movie each episode.
Terrible.
It's crazy. I'm not a fan of it anymore.
You just want to know what's going on.
Right, because we already so deep, you just want to continue.
But this is terrible. I have to say, the first season I give a plus, but now I give a minus. So sorry, you're fire. The man is fire. Alright, if you like this video, give the thumbs up.
Comment down below.
Subscribe
if it's the first time to the Fam Bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
tomorrow.